Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale passive revenue with Shopify step by step clearly. Start by defining your passive revenue goals and understanding what you want to achieve with Shopify. Research and identify a niche market that has demand but isn't overly saturated. Choose products that align with your niche and offer good profit margins. Create a Shopify account and set up your online store with use high-quality images and detailed descriptions for your products to improve customer engagement. Implement SEO best practices by using relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions. Set up automated email marketing campaigns to engage with potential customers and encourage repeat purchases. Explore fulfillment options such as dropshipping or print on demand to minimize inventory management. Consider using Shopify apps that enhance your store's functionality, like upselling and cross-selling tools. Develop a content marketing strategy that includes blogging or social media to drive traffic to your store. Utilize social media advertising to target your ideal audience and promote your products effectively. Monitor your store's analytics to assess performance and identify areas for improvement. Regularly update your product offerings based on customer feedback and market trends. Create an affiliate program to encourage others to promote your products for a commission. Automate as many processes as possible to free up your time and streamline operations. Continue to learn and adapt your strategies by staying informed about e-commerce trends and best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.